Hi lads, in this video I'm going to go through the second question from Friday's class. It says that the planned elevation of a solid which is cut by an oblique plane VTH is shown in figure 9.35. Part 1 is draw the plan and elevation of the solid when it is cut by the oblique plane VTH. And then part 2, draw the true shape of the cut surface of the solid. So to start with this question, I'm going to need to draw the plan because that gives me the information I need to actually find the position of my traces. So starting off, it's going to be at 45 degrees. So I'm going to take my plan around here and then going 45 degrees back this way. And then the length of this side is going to be 40. And the length going that way is going to be 60. And that gives me my plan shape there. I'll just join the diagonals, and once again I'm not going to draw anything in heavy yet until I know where all the cuts occur. So then to find the actual trace, this corner here is going to be up 54 to the XY line. So that's going to be my XY line going across there. And then I'm told that from this corner, excuse me, from this corner here, it's going to be across 34 then, to give me the position of where the traces meet on the XY line. The bottom trace is inclined at 60 degrees. And that looks something like this here. So that's going to be my horizontal trace there, and my vertical trace is going to be inclined at 40 degrees. So I need my protractor for that one. So 40 degrees there, and there's my vertical trace. To get my elevation then, I can take all my points up. And finally my last one there. And then the heights I'm given are 15, 15 and 40. So 15, 15 and then finally 40. And the first 15 is the height for this point here. The second 15 is this edge that I actually already drawn. And then the 40 is going to be for the apex then. So if I follow that up, gives me that point there. And then to find my other corner, I have to join these two together. So once again I'm going to draw it in lightly, and then this corner here will give me that point there, and now I can connect all my edges together now at the top. And then I have my last one here as well. And this one's actually going to be a hidden detail because the back surface we can't see. So that's our elevation plan drawn in lightly first. So I'm going to go draw in heavy, what I can actually see then when the shape is cut. So to see the cut shape, I need to look in and see the horizontal trace once again as a point, so you can see the inclination of the vertical trace that shows you the cut then as a result. So I need to take an auxiliary view out here, so I'm going to extend that out. I'll take my XY line here, just draw that in heavy. So it'll be going, there's loads around there, I've actually drawn it. So my X1, Y1 put in there. There's where my horizontal trace is. Find vertical trace. Just take a random height. apply it there. And now I can draw that inclined line there as a result. So the first points I'm going to have these 4 on the ground here. And they're also then going to be extended up as well to give me these heights here too. So what I'll just do is extend these lines out now. And then get the heights. So that height there is marked off there. This height here is marked off as being there. And then I have this height here, draw that down and up to here, and then I have this height here, and that can be marked off there. So when I look in, I'm going to be able to see that edge there. This back one is going to be dashed. I'm going to be able to see this edge here. So we're only going to go up to that point, and then it's going to be cut away. And then I'm going to be able to see up to this one here before it gets cut away as well. And then to connect them together, these 2 edges connect here and here. So that's going to be hidden detail there. I have this corner connected there, this one connects to here. So I'm connecting this one to this one. This one connects back to here. And then to close it off, these 2 connect back together then. So this one and yeah, that one there. And you can see those, they're going to be heavy to there, and just do the dashed line there. And then for the very top, extend my line out, take my height, mark it off there, and then connect all my corners. So all this is going to be dashed, it's all been cut away. And then that's all been cut away as well. So all I actually have left then, I just use the colours again, is just this section here. I'll use green again to actually show the cut surface, so it cuts from here down to there. So now what we need to do is we need to take all of our points back into our plan to see where they hit. And what I can do as well is actually label them once again. So I'm going to A there, B there, C occurs there, D occurs there. So A first. So it occurs along the back surface. Just extend this down. And I'm going to have it, so this point here is this point here, and there's the top, so where A comes down, it's going to give me that point there. Take B down, so mark it there so I know where it is, that line there. B is this corner here. So that gives me B there. Then we have the next cut that occurs is C here. So I've marked C as the actual height for the next one. So I take that point down there, which is this line. C occurs on the actual line connecting the two. So this line here, this line here, so that cut occurs there. And then D I have marked and that actually occurs at the edge there. So it just goes over that point. So it's on the actual line there. And then I'm also going to have another cut that occurs on this line here, so I'm going to label that as E, and that is out here. So it goes right there inside it, so actually on the corner, and that's where I can start connecting them all together then. Oh, and there's one more actually. There's F there as well, the actual, this line going across here as a cut on it. So basically all the lines that are hitting. So I'm talking about that line there, which is going to be the connector of these two. So I take that down there, it's on this line, this in here, so it's on this line here. So F goes out to hit that line there. Sorry, no, that's not it. Oh, I already have that point taken, sorry for that. I already had that one. So all I need to do now is connect these together. So it's a bit of a mix up there. So I have this cutting out to here then. C, no, C shouldn't be on that point, C should be out here. So I took it on the wrong line. This should be able to be seen all the way across here as the cut. And then go 45 degrees back there for that point. And then these two connect together here as well. This goes back out here. This goes all the way across. And that closes off there. And this closes off here. And that leaves your cut surface there. So it's actually tricky enough fun to actually figure out all the points where they occur. So you're basically just trying to find exactly each point where the cut actually occurs. So in total there should be 6 cuts then as a result. So the next thing I need to do is just draw in colour the actual cut shape there, and then I'll take it up to plan. that green surface there, and then this blue surface here. So what actually remains of the solid. Now all it's a matter of doing is actually taking my points up to give me where the cuts actually occur. So, because of an auxiliary elevation, we can use some of our heights. For example, D there. That cut occurs at this height here. So that point there for D. C then occurs along this edge here, which is going to be this line there. It's going to be this one here, so mark that off. So take C up, I can take that height there as well. Mark that off there then. And then we have our next one. It's going to be this point here. Sorry, this one here we're going to take then, the actual connector on the roof. So it's going to be this line here I'm looking at. That cut occurs just there at B. A then occurs out here. So we have so far is that line connected to there. This surface connecting through to there. And then we're going to have our line here. This one here is going to be a cut along it. So take that up, and that's that point there. It lies along this line here. That can connect to there. So that's my point E. I already have C marked off there. And this can connect to here then. And that's it then drawn. So there we have our 5 edges. Our edge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there to match our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. And the rest of it then is drawn in heavy as a result. So that goes up there, and then this part here is going to slope in slightly. This part there slopes into that. And when we'd see this edge here, and then this little edge there isn't dashed, just behind it. And then we have this line here. This edge is dashed there. And that's then that cut surface. So once again shown in green. My cut surface there, and then blue. What I have left over then. And that then is our elevation plan complete, so part 1. So part 2 is the exact same idea again, using rebatment to actually rotate our points around, flatten it on the ground, see the true shape. So the first thing I need to do is it's at 30 degrees going this way, extend out my X1, Y1 line, and begin rotating around what I'm actually going to have. So the first point I have there is D. rotate D around there, take it down. Remember, going parallel to the horizontal trace, then go perpendicular there, gives me point D. Start from the top, then just go to A, just work my way down from there. So A comes out to there. I'm going to have E then, connect A to E after that. So E, just check, yeah, E is this height here. That down and around. E out to there. So I have EA, then B after that. So B is this height here. Rotating around. B is there, and then C is this height here. Take that around as well. And C comes out to here. And then what I have is this as my true shape of the cut surface. And once again, put it in green. And just to show in colour, this orange one here. For example, point C. C would have been taken out to there. It was rotated initially from here. Now let's take it down from the original view. And then C will go out to meet it there, for example. And then to find the true angle of my vertical trace there, I'll just take a random line there. That height there. Will give you the incline up there. Give you that height there. Just click focus on that there so you can see it. And that completes the question. So that is actually a very tough question to get your head around, getting all your points along there with all the different slopes. So hopefully that video helps anybody who might have been stuck in it. Let me know if you need any help on Teams.